iPad OS 26 allows you to customize the app icons, and this is a really fun way to personalize your iPad's look. To change the color and look of your app icons, you'll just tap and hold any empty space on your home screen until your apps start to do this wiggle. Once you get them to wiggle, an Edit button appears in the top left corner, and we'll give that a little tap. Then choose Customize. You'll get this customizing menu, and this is where the fun begins. You have a couple of buttons up top. One of them sort of dims down your background to make the app icons pop a bit more. The other one will switch to the larger app icons. They're not drastically larger, and you lose the text that tells you the name of each app. This looks pretty nice on an iPhone, but honestly, I think on iPad they should allow the app icons to get even larger since there's a lot of empty space for it. Anyways, down below we have all the options to change the color of our app icons. These are pretty self-explanatory, but dark makes them, you guessed it, dark. You can choose whether you'd like them to always be dark or use the auto setting, which will make them dark after sunset. The clear option is also pretty clear. See what I did there? This one also has two versions, the basic clear and the dark clear, or you can let your iPad automatically switch between the two based on the time of the day. The tinted option is where you have the full color palette to choose from. You can pick any color and then use the slider below to pick the saturation, in case you want a lighter tint. The color picker is also pretty cool. With this, you can pick a color from your wallpaper so your icons are nicely color matched with your wallpaper. And that's how you change the app colors. Pretty cool feature, and in the older versions of iPad OS, you could never do anything like this. So it's nice that they're now allowing us to customize our iPads more than before. Click that like button if this was helpful, and check out my iPad playlist to learn more. It's full of easy, short videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in another video.